The statistics show that out of 100% of the people that fly to China, only 9% benefit from the business trip. Some fly because there's the whole wave of, flying to China, others flying because they had other people flying to China. But for the people that I fly to China, one of the things that I try to do is to make sure that you've not fallen into the 91% statistics. Now, as we finish with the preparations of the 9th business group trip, happening in the month of April for 17 days exclusive of the travel dates. I'm looking forward to have an experience with you. Ray is happy. My team in Kenya is ready. My team in China is ready to teach and to mentor you. We have shared with you some very crucial messages and the things that you're supposed to do. Please do them. Please do them. Those are the key secrets for you to become the person that you want to be after the trip. If you'd want to contact us or make late registrations, write to us via our number right here, email, or even WhatsApp, and we are going to get back to you and let you know if there's an opportunity for you to join us. Thank you, and God bless you for giving me the opportunity to teach and to mentor you. Bye-bye.